I was learning scikit-learn and I came across something strange, a dataset that just disappeared. When I tried to load the Boston housing dataset, I got this error. No module named load Boston. Okay, weird. So I tried everything, installing an older Python version, even running Jupyter Notebook. Still nothing, no clear explanation, just chaos. But after digging a lot, I finally found it. And that's when I saw why it was missing. The dataset had a feature called P, the proportion of black residents in an area, and it was used to predict home prices. Yep, a built-in racial bias. That's why scikit-learn wins. It's a reminder, dataset isn't just a number, it shapes real-world decisions. Always check your data.